Bigg Boss 19 Salman Khan's show might see Hina Khan, Elvish Yadav in premiere with Salman Khan's controversial reality show Bigg Boss 19 nearing its launch. All eyes are on the list of celebrities who will step into the drama-filled house this season. The first promo of the Salman Khan-hosted reality show has already created a storm online, with fans eagerly awaiting the full contestant lineup, unpredictable twists, and non-stop entertainment. Amid the growing curiosity, social media has been set abuzz with rumors that popular TV actress Hina Khan and digital sensation Elvish Yadav may be part of the upcoming season. In an Instagram post going viral, the user sparked discussions among fans after hinting at their probable participation in Bigg Boss 19. While neither Hina Khan nor Elvish Yadav has confirmed the news, it remains to be seen whether the duo will join Salman Khan during the grand premiere or make a dramatic appearance later in the season. Nana post shared by Saspahu or Batayanats Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 19 promo not long ago. The makers of the controversial reality show dropped the first promo on the channel's official social media handle. Featuring the host and actor Salman Khan, the video captured the superstar donning a traditional outfit and portraying a politician, hinting that this season is centered on politics. Nana post shared by Colors TV Colors. In a statement, Salman shared, "I've been a part of Bigg Boss for a long time. As we all know, the game evolves every year, and it's Garwalo ki sarkar. And when too many people start pulling the threads, things will get nasty. That's when the cracks appear and the house transforms into a combat zone. After all these years, I can honestly say that I am as excited as you are to see how it all turns out." Bigg Boss 19 contestant list. While Hina Khan and Elvish Yadav are yet to confirm their speculated involvement in the show, here is the list of other probable contestants of the season. In Bigg Boss Season 19, RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav's elder son Tej Pratap Yadav, Tarak Mehta Ka Olta Shashmaz Gurich Run Singh and Shailesh Lodha, Apoorv Mukherjee, singer and rapper Raftar, Mr. Faizu aka Faisal Sheikh, Mirados Thal, Dhanashri Varma, singer and music composer Amal Malik and Gaurav Khanna, among others, are expected to participate. Stay updated with the latest TV news updates from daily serials to reality TV shows and your favorite small screen celebrity news. Download the News 18 app now. Latest blogs.